Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the ransomware virus. Recently, I got my system affected by this type of virus. Like 2 to 4 days ago, I got this virus in my system, and it's really a new virus, and you don't have any solution for this virus. But yeah, yeah, you can remove the virus from your system, but you can't decrypt your files because the virus does to your files. It will encrypt all your files with the .kasp extension and also change the key of the file. There are actually two types of encryptions there. The one is offline and the another is online. The one with the offline encryption, you can decrypt the files, but the files with the online encryption, you can't decrypt them because it's really next to impossible. You can decrypt them, but for that you need a key from the attacker, which is really impossible. You can't get the key from the attacker to decrypt your files. The only possible way to decrypt your files is you just go to the attacker and ask him for the private key so you can decrypt your files and find whether your files are online encrypted or offline encrypted. I will show you how to check that. Check your encryption is online or offline. Let's go to any of your folder. There may be a readme text file, so you have to open it. It's the hacker who put this message in this file, so you can see here that he is asking me like $980 if I contact him within 72 hours or by contacting them through these mails. And my key, my my encryption key is like this. So if you have the 1616 at the last, that means your encryption is online, or if you have like TE at the last, that means your encryption is offline. So here my encryption is online. What you have to do, you have to remove the virus from your system so it will not affect your files anymore. So what you have to do, you have to install some malware software which really good, like some you have to buy, or you can use the cracked version. I have a cracked version, you can use that. I will give the link in the description box, which may help you, but I'm not here to promote any uh, cracked versions or any software. You can see my system, all my files got encrypted, and these all files are online encrypted, so it's really impossible for me to decrypt them. You can change the extension. The file will be there, but there will be a private key attached to your file, so your files are not safe anymore. That attacker has access to your file. So let's do the first 5 steps, like remove the extra IPs from your host file. I will show you how to do it. The next step is install the software that removes the virus from your system, and then wait for the solution from the Microsoft if they came up with some solution for you for this type of ransomware virus. So the only thing you can wait, just there is no any other option. Don't look for the solution. There are some videos, but they are not going to help you out in any situation. So it's better to wait, or just remove the hard drive from your, if you have additional hard drive with you, just install that and install your operating system on that. Or no solution right now available for it to remove, to decrypt your files, but in future maybe Microsoft or some any other company will came up with the solution. First you have to delete the some IPs from the host file. For that you have to go to the Windows, then look for the system, then go for the drivers, then this, here's the host file one with the notepad. Actually, After this line you will find some IPs. I already deleted those. Just delete those IPs here, so and save the file, and then